Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know it has been a very long time. I have not made even one video, but here I am back with the video. So in this video, I am going to explain All India Quota counseling process in detail from round 1 till round 2. Okay, and we'll have a new video for round 3. So if you have written Neet UG 2026, that is re-Neet UG 2026, and you have qualified according to these qualifying marks for different categories, then you are eligible to apply for All India Quota counseling for MBBS and BDS seats across different states of India. You have 15% of MBBS and BDS seats across different states of India reserved for this counseling, and you can get a seat through this counseling across any state in India. Okay, so let me explain you how to register for counseling and how to go about in this video in detail. If you are one of those who has qualified re-Neet 2026, then you can apply for All India Quota counseling. To apply for All India Quota counseling, you have to first register on MCC portal through this link. You can see this link, new candidate registration link. You can register through this portal. After your registration is done, next step is to wait for choice filling. So choice filling will start according to this schedule, and once the choice filling starts, you have to fill your choices of colleges. So let's say you want to take admission in XYZ in the order of XYZ. So you want X college the most, then Y, and then Z. So you will fill your choice, keeping the X college as your top priority, keeping the Y college as the next priority, and the Z college as third priority. For example, let's say you want to take admission in Delhi colleges and you want to take admission in MAMC first, then your preference is UCMS, and then your preference is LHMC. So you put MAMC first at the top, then you put after MAMC you put UCMS because that is your second preference, and then you put LHMC because that is your third preference. So like that, whichever course and whichever college you want to take admission in your preference, you have to list them down. And after you have listed, this is called as choice filling. Once you have filled your choices, you have to lock your choices. Now locking of choices means you will not be able to alter this list. Okay, so if you're 100% sure that this is the way this is the correct order of colleges, this is your preference, if you're 100% sure, then only lock your choices. And if you have not locked your choices, then the MCC portal by default locks the choices for every candidate on the last day of choice filling. Okay, so this is choice filling. Now once the choice filling ends, MCC generally gives results within 1 to 2 days of choice filling, and this the result will basically show the ranks in one column and the college allotted in the second column, and then category allotted and the category of the candidate. Okay, so in this list, basically you have to search for your rank after the result, and you have to see what college you have been allotted. If you have been allotted the college of your choice and you want to study in that college, then you have to first report online on the MCC website. You have to submit your documents, scan the documents and submit on the MCC website. Post that, you have to go to college and continue studying if you want to study at that college and you're happy with the allotment. If you do this, you are a freeze candidate. Let's say you do not want to study in that college, okay, and you feel that but you're happy, you do not want to study in that college, but you're happy with your allotment, so you do not want to lose that seat also. You want to apply for an upgradation, you feel I can get a better seat. So in that case, you have to scan your documents and upload on the MCC website. You have to scan your documents and upload on the MCC website and generate a provisional admission letter from the MCC website online only. You need not go to college. Once you have done this process, your seat in the current allotted college is reserved, confirmed, and you are eligible for further rounds of counseling. That option also you have to give while you are actually reporting to the college online on the MCC website and submitting your documents. You have to give that I want to participate in further rounds of counseling. So if you have done this, then you are eligible to participate in the second round of counseling, and your current seat is not gone, it is with you only. Now if you do this, you are a float candidate. Okay, now let's say after the first round of counseling is done, all India quota, your state starts counseling. So either if you are freeze candidate or if you are float candidate, does not matter, you can still participate in round 1 of state quota counseling. And let's say you get a better seat in round 1 of state quota counseling, and you are a freeze candidate and you want to join that seat, and you are sure that that is what the seat I want, and you can you can first resign on the MCC website, and then you can go to the college that you joined in the first round of all India quota counseling and resign there, and then you can join in the new college that has been allotted to you through state quota counseling. Okay, now let's say you were allotted a college in the state quota counseling and you are a float candidate. So in that particular instance, what you have to do is you have to resign on the MCC website and go and join the state quota counseling college according to the rules of the state quota counseling. You need not do anything different. Okay, so this is the process. Now one more thing which is very important here is that, let's say you are a float candidate and you get a better seat allotted in the round 2 of the counseling, because if you are a float candidate, your round 1 seat is reserved and you are eligible to apply in the round 2. Okay, so let's say you get a better seat in the round 2 of the counseling, then what is going to happen after that, your round 1 seat will be automatically cancelled and it will be allotted to another candidate, and now you will be having claim on the round 2 seat only. Okay, so if you are a float candidate, your first round seat is with you till the time you are not allotted a better seat in round 2. If you are allotted a better seat in round 2, then your first round seat gets cancelled, gets allotted to another candidate, and your round 1 seat is reserved, and your round 1 seat gets cancelled, gets allotted to another candidate, and your round 2 seat now is with you. Okay, so this is the round 1 of all India quota counseling which is currently going on. So I have explained everything in extremes of detail. You can check the MCC website, and this is my Instagram account where I post details of all India quota counseling as and when they come on the website. So if you want to stay updated on the counseling or anything related to NEET for that matter, you can hit the follow button on Instagram. Thank you. If you like the video and the effort put into it, do subscribe to the channel.